artist and a creative doodler, working towards my dream of making my own small art business. And mine is called Little Moonseed. And if you're new to my channel, hi, it's lovely to meet you. So for the last couple of months, I've been beginning to sort out a room that I can use as my creative space, which I've always wanted to have. I think having a purposeful space for creativity is pretty important, and it doesn't have to be a studio or a room. It can just be a corner in your lounge or hallway, or even outside, which I love being outside. Just having a space to put all your art things together is actually great for productivity because you're not always looking for things and you don't lose your flow. So it's really nice to have that space for when you enter into it. It's like it's telling yourself that it's your time to be creative. Having this space for myself has made me feel that I am valuable to me, that my creativity is valuable to me, and it's just my time. So even though it's got a place for people to stay, it's still my special space. I've still got plans to make it better and add more shelves and things like that, but it's a start, and I'm really happy with the fact that I've actually just started to treat myself better and make this space for myself. And of course, Obi loves it too. So this month has been good, very confronting. I've had to do the big scary stuff, push myself beyond my fears because I had no choice but to face them. So I'm hoping making myself do these good things, even if they're scary for me, will make me a better person overall and a better artist and be more confident and encourage me to grow. So I painted a hopscotch at a really special place. The staff has asked me to paint a positive affirmation hopscotch for the playground. Painting on hot, rough concrete is actually pretty challenging. It took me longer than I thought it would, but the difference it's made to that space, that bare patch of concrete, is so great, and it's really lovely to see kids play on it and enjoy themselves like they should. I'm actually pretty happy with how this turned out. It was such a lovely thing to do. So the biggest thing I did, the actual big scary thing, was to begin painting my first mural. So the place where I've been creating this shed mural is a place that has transitional accommodation for families and children who have been homeless or are at risk of homelessness. Sadly, in this day, and especially post-COVID, homelessness is common, and even where I live, rents have skyrocketed. Some people are finding it really hard to find a place, and if you have children, it can be even harder. It's so wonderful that places like this exist, and to brighten up the playground was terrifying because I had to do everything in public, including all my mistakes. But I'm so grateful to have been a part of this, and the staff at these places are amazing. They deserve so much for their compassionate hearts and desire to do good and to help people in really tricky life places get to that next step they're really hoping for. And it's because of their passion and wonder that this artwork is being created. This is the beginning of the mural. Part 1, if you will. I hope this video sees you well and happy. and you give yourself a nice, cozy, warm hug. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!